Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for number 8, flat 1 bedroom ground floor apartment ready to move in Anstruther. Now, let me flip the camera around and tell you all about it. This is the property right in front of me here, and you can see that it's a wee bit elevated, so it's ideal. You could sit a wee seat out the front and you could be sitting in the sun towards the evening and afternoon and evening. Out the back, the sun comes up obviously around there, and then down at the bottom of this road, I'll just zoom in a bit, and you can see down there is the Fife Coastal Path to the right hand side, right in front of you down the bottom of there. To the right hand side is Shore Street, which is the cafes, bistros and restaurants along at the front, and the harbour and the beach itself. A wee bit of beach if you want open water swimming. If you want the open water swimming with the Cellar Dyke tidal pool, it's along to the left hand side and right along to Cellar Dyke and at the end as well. So, good golf facilities as well. Oh, I could actually see Berwick Law over there as well. So you can see just the outline of Berwick Law. So that's where it is in proximity, facing across from Edinburgh and Berwick itself. So yeah, absolutely fantastic flat, 1 bedroom ground floor, and let's pop in and I'll take you around on the tour. Okay, so here we are inside. Now, just to flip the camera around, you can see the nice deep hall here. There's a cupboard off to the side with plenty of storage. I'm going to show you that in a minute, but look at the size of this room in here. All the way around. It's huge. They don't make properties like this anymore. Coming round to that bay window, storage cupboard in there, into that big beautiful bay window here. And as we come back, I'll show you along here. And one of the things I like is if you look just down there and zoom in on here, you can see the sea. So just the corner of the harbour, just about there as I can see, you can see it yourself. The Fife Coastal Path down there as well, and straight along, just round the corner, you've got the harbour, you've got the beach, you've got the Fife Coastal Path down there, you've got the cafes, bistros and restaurants right along there as well. If open water swimming's your thing, you can go back along to the Cellar Dyke tidal pool, or you can go onto the beach, just next door to the RNLI lifeboat, and there's a cracking beach there for just a wee bit of swimming as well. Perfect area, as I said before, for sitting out the front, taking advantage of the sun, wee elevated plot, watching the world go by on your chair. You can see that they've done that next door, so it gives you a great idea about that. So, nice big bedroom in here, that's what I love about it. Okay, now coming up on my left hand side, got this massive cupboard. Now believe it or not, I actually studied accountancy for my accounts exams in the same size of cupboard. Managed to get easily comfortable, get a table and chairs in there, and get along there as well. I've got shelving all the way along, but I'm no suggesting you do that, but I'm just showing you how deep this cupboard is and what you could do with it, but it's got plenty of storage. Now into the shower room, this has all recently been refurbished as well, all the floor coverings put in and nice and painted and fresh. You've got your WC and you've got your sink, and then you've got your corner shower cubicle with thermostatic shower over above. And then back into your living room area. Now you could get a sneak peek of the kitchen as we come round. But as you can see, it's a big, huge area and space for a dining table. Just you can see it right there off the back. So you could comfortably, probably more than likely, get all your tables and your chairs, your suite and everything over here. And then you could easily get maybe a dining table and chairs over there. Big, huge walk-in cupboard for storage as well. So there's this place has loads of storage of anything. Okay, original cornice round there. That's what I love about it as well. And then into your kitchen recently being installed. You've got your oven hob and extractor in there as well. And your new floor coverings, as we see. Off to the side there's a wee utility area. You've got the wall mounted boiler in there, as you can see, just a corner in here. But nice, beautiful kitchen, as I said, recently installed. 1 bedroom ground floor apartment, ready to move in. You can see all that, it's been nicely and newly refurbished. Then you've got, just round the corner from the Fife Coastal Path, the harbour, the bistros and the cafes and the restaurants and everything else, a wee bit of open water swimming as well. If you want to go further afield, St Andrews just over, about 10 miles over the hill to St Andrews. And then as well, if you want to go further back along to Crail, you've got golf, you've got a great golf course here as well in Anstruther, and then you can go back along to Pittenweem and St Monans and back along Ely as well. You've got the best of everything here. This is a great base for someone. Now, there's more details on this post if you want to click above or below on the link. You can see the photograph and descriptions. If you want to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.